G'day everyone. Today I'm here fixing this dishwasher. They've had leaking water all across this floor, and I've been out already and I thought it was the trap originally up under there that was leaking, but it still was leaking water after I fixed the trap. So I've had a look in this box and discovered that the float valve inside is faulty. So I've got a nice fresh one here to fix this. There we go, that's the old one. It's pretty old and corroded, which means that it wasn't sealing properly whenever the valve was supposed to go into the off position. Let's get this new one in, hey?